CTFO Super 7 is simply the greatest, most potent, easy to assimilate immune system and natural energy boosting supplement ever produced. Super 7 is a delicious blend of the world's 7 major superfruits: amalaki, acai, goji, mangosteen, pomegranate, blueberry, and cranberry. The many health benefits of each of these superfruits are well documented, providing vitamins, trace minerals, antioxidants, energy, enzymes, and much more. CTFO Super 7 has all 7 of these powerful, free radical fighting superfruits in one delicious chewable. And because it's in a great tasting bioavailable format, the amazing health benefits of Super 7 can be in your system in as little as 3 minutes. While some antioxidant supplements boast 1 or 2 different superfruits, Super 7 combines all 7 of them into a perfectly balanced, synergistic blend that not only includes the benefits of each, but actually enhances all of them. And Super 7 is naturally flavored, gluten-free, and has no artificial sweeteners. Here's just some of what Super 7 can do for you. It helps rid your body of cell-damaging free radicals, which strengthens your immune system, fights infections, and rejuvenates your skin. It helps support proper function of the liver, kidneys, spleen, heart, and lungs. It helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. It supports healthy cardiovascular and circulatory systems. It helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and a healthy urinary tract. And it's high in naturally occurring enzymes for help with digestion. Additionally, it supplies natural energy without any jitters and enhances general health and performance. It provides anti-inflammatory benefits and increases lean body mass. It supports increased mental focus and improved memory. And it's a mood enhancer, providing an increased sense of well-being and calmness, helping your body to cope with stress. Purchasing all 7 of these superfruits separately could easily cost you as much as $150 or more. CTFO Super 7 gives you all of these for a fraction of the cost. Why pay more money for inferior products? CTFO Super 7 is simply the best. You can have it delivered right to your home for less than $2 a day, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Super 7 is truly delicious. It literally tastes like candy. Try it yourself. Order your Super 7 today. You've never allowed yourself to feel this good, ever. Whether you're 8 or 80, you deserve to feel great. CTFO Super 7 is for everyone. Now that you've seen how Super 7 can fuel your body, if you'd like to learn how it can fuel your finances as well, check out CTFO's free business opportunity.